Hey everyone, it's Mommy and Omari, and today we decided to do yoga. This is something that Omari brought to my attention. He found these really cool videos online, and I'll tag them. I'll leave a link to both videos in the description. But he found these really awesome yoga videos, so I decided to go ahead and do some yoga with him. So this was a really fun experience for me personally. I have never attempted to do yoga, so it was really amazing to try it with Omari for the first time. Not to mention, he is the person who initiated this yoga session. He asked, and at first I was like, no, but he was persistent and I gave in, and I'm so happy that we attempted to experience this together. And we're not perfect. We made so many hiccups and mistakes, but I am super excited that we went ahead and tried this. So yeah, we will definitely be doing this again. I had an amazing experience, and it was actually a really great workout. So thank you, Omari. I love you, my beautiful son. And yeah, you guys enjoy the video. And this is for my boy moms with really high energy children. Your kid may be like really packed with energy, and Omari's like the exact same way. He's so full of life and he's really energetic, and I thank God for that. But I also feel like these yoga videos are amazing for kind of helping your child kind of realign and center themselves. I really enjoy it, even the breathing exercises, and seeing Omari really engage with these yoga sessions really made me rethink incorporating this into his day-to-day life. I think that it would be really awesome for him to kind of do this 30 to 45 minutes throughout the day, maybe midday, closer towards his bedtime when it's time to kind of tone it down, just so that he can center himself, kind of realign and reflect. And yeah, I think that this is really awesome. My son is super energetic and he's high energy. He's always hyped up. And I think that yoga may be our thing to kind of balance him out and kind of balance him out. So yeah, I think that this was really awesome. And Omari, I love you again so much for finding these videos. But yeah, guys, so for the mamas with those high energy, always on 10 boys who, have that super sonic hedgehog energy, these yoga sessions are definitely for you. Try them out and let me know what you guys think about it. All right.